Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Technocrat friends. How are you today? Hopefully fine. I am Vina dari Vina Amelia with student ID 244-11158. Okay, here I will explain a topic about understanding function, variables, and issue in regression analysis. What is regression analysis? Foundational overview. Regression analysis is a powerful statistical method used to examine the relationship between two or more variables. It helps you understand how the value of a dependent variable changes when one of its independent variable is varied. The technique is widely applied across various fields from economics to biology to predict outcomes, forecast trends, and establish cause and effect relationship. Dependent and independent variables. The core of regression. Dependent variables. This is the outcomes or response variable that we are trying to predict or explain. Its value is assumed to be dependent on the change in the independent variables. Independent variables X. These are the predictor or explanatory variables that are manipulated or observed to determine their effect on the dependent variables, also known as regressors. Explore different types of function in regression models. Regression model employ first functional forms to capture the relationship between variables. Linear function, the simple form assuming a straight line relationship. Polynomial function, used for curved relationship, allowing more flexibility. Logarithmic function, appropriate when the effect of independent variable diminishes with increasing values. Exponential function, model relationship where the dependent variable changes at an increasing rate. Common problems and pitfalls in regression analysis. Despite its utility, regression analysis is susceptible to several issues that can lead to best result and incorrect correlation, multicolority, highly correct independent variables, heteroscedasticity, non-constant variance of errors, outliers, and influential observation, extreme data points distorting the model, non-linearity, assuming a linear relationship when it's not, identifying and addressing multicollinearity across when two or more independent variables in a regression model are highly correlated, making it difficult to distinguish their individual effects. Identification, variance inflation factor values above 5 or 10, high research with insignificant individual coefficient correlation metric showing strong correlation between independent variables. Solution: remove one of the highly correlated variables. Combine correlated variables into a single index. Use principal component analysis (PCA). Collect more data in variable. Detecting and mitigation. Heteroscedasticity refers to a situation where the variability of the results is uniform across the range of predicted value of the dependent variable. Direction, visual interpretation of residual plots, form or formal. that's like birch, pigeon, or white that's impact the standard errors, leading to incorrect hypotheses and confidence intervals. Through confidence remain unbiased mitigations, transforming the defense variable using weight least circles or robust standard error. The impact of outliers and influential observation. Outliers are data points that significantly differ from the general patterns, while influential observation have a substantial impact on the regression line, slope, or interscape. Outliers can lead to visit parameter estimator and inflate standard errors. Detected using radius plus studied radius or Cook distance. Influential observation may drastically alter the regression result if remote identified using leverage statistics, Cook distance, or defeat. Best practice for robust regression modeling and interpretation to ensure the validity and reliability of regression analysis. Adapt to this best practice. Data quality. Ensure data is clean, correct, and relevant. Validate your model with new data or cross-validation technique. Model selection. Provide functional form and variable based on theory and data. Some assumption checks. Regularly verify regression assumption using diagnostic plots and test careful interpretation. Understand the elimination and context of your result. Okay, thank you. That's all for me. See you.